Zoomshift tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use and set up Zoomshift. Zoomshift is a platform that allows you to create a work schedule for hourly employees. So with this platform, you'll be able to manage your employees' schedule. Everything will be able to be done online. You'll also get access to an app which will allow them to sign in whenever their shift starts and also to sign out. So with this, you'll be able to track their time. Employees will also be able to add in their time off and all of those good stuff. So to get started, you're going to go onto zoomshift.com. Then from there, you can enter your email address and tap on Start Scheduling. They actually offer a free trial, and you'll be able to use it to manage up to 20 employees for free. So once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here, does your organization use positions? For example, let's say I'm running a cook shop, so I'll select yes. I'm just going to type in cook, and from there I could type in, for example, server, and then I could add in waiter right here. Then we'll tap on next. After you have done that, let's add a few team members to kick things off, and you can fill in your team member's name, or you can tap on I will add team members later. Now after you have done that, you will be redirected to your Zoomshift dashboard. So you can see how the dashboard looks right here. Once on your dashboard, let's say for instance you would like to add a team member. To add team members, you can simply tap right where you see team from the top navigation bar. After adding team, from there you could tap on new from the top right hand corner, and you can put in their full name. So I'll just put in a full name for example sake. After you have done that, you can see right here weekly desired hours. You can add that in. You can also give each individual a pin so they can create their pin. Then after doing that, you can put in positions, and let's say for example this individual will be a cook and their hourly rate will be $12. Then you can tap on permissions, and from there you can edit the permissions that they'll have access to on this platform. Then you'll tap on create. So first, let me remove this right here since they already have an email address added, and I'm just going to tap on create. So you can see it right there. It has now been created. Once it has been created and they have been added, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on schedule, and we're going to tap on schedule right there. After you have tapped on schedule, you will see each team member name from the left hand column, and I could tap, for example, let's say from Monday, I could tap on the plus right there. After you have tapped on the plus, you can choose the position. So I'll select waiter. After selecting waiter, from there you can select the time that their shift will start. So let's say for example sake, your shift will start, let's say for example sake, your shift starts at 8 a.m. So you can select 8 a.m. right here, and you can select when your shift ends. So let's say 3 p.m. and you can also add in break. So you can add in the unpaid break, better yet, and you can add in their hourly wage. So let's say for example the hourly wage will be $8. After you have done that, you're going to tap on save and publish. Now if you don't want to add it per day, you can actually set it for the entire week or month by tapping on the current shift that you have created. Then you could tap on copy from the top navigation bar. Then from there we could select Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and then we can tap on save and publish, and you can see that it has been added for the entire week just like that. Then you can create shifts for the other positions. After you have created the shifts, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on attendance, and from there you'll be able to view their timesheet. So you can keep track of the timesheet right here, and you can also approve different timesheet. If we were to tap on attendance once more and select payroll, from here you'll be able to keep track of their payroll, and you'll see the overtime that they have done and so on. You can also tap on the kiosk time clock, and from here they'll be able to clock in and clock out. So you'll be able to monitor how long they take on breaks and all of that. And if they would like to communicate with you, they can select messages from the top navigation bar and select chat inbox. And then from there, they can start a conversation by tapping on new chat. And if we were to tap on home, I can show you how your dashboard will look. So you can see how my dashboard looks right there. So you can see it right there. So I'll be able to view my schedule and all of that. Also, another thing I want you to do is tap on settings from the top right hand corner of the navigation bar. And from there you can edit the different positions. So you could add a new position by tapping on new position in the bottom right hand corner. You can also add different locations by tapping on locations right here. You will be able to add the different locations. You can also add shift templates. So you could create a shift template, for example, for the cook, different compared to the waiter, and so on. And you can also tap on roles and permissions, and you can decide the access that you would like to give them on this platform by simply selecting the different roles and permissions right there. Another thing that you could also do is you can go over to the right hand section, and from there you can edit certain details and time zones. You can also scroll down and you can set up shift error rules. You can tap on availability, and from there you can edit the different preferences. So I would definitely recommend that you come into the settings section and you edit the different preferences depending on your business and your liking. And that's basically it when it comes onto this platform. Once they have downloaded the platform also, they'll tap on attendance, then they are going to tap on kiosk time clock, and they'll tap on clock in. So they'll enter their email address, then they'll tap on clock in, and they'll be able to start working. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.